We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. In short, it's always been our prime objective to make our customers happy. So when they write feedback like this, and specifically mention the great customer service they received, it makes us feel like we're meeting that objective. Let us help you with our excellent customer service backed by our years of experience. We love to make you one of our happy customers too. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.